The Chubb Workplace Benefits portal is a simple, easy-to-use system that puts your claim status and any documents associated with your claims right at your fingertips and makes filing a new claim quick and convenient. First, enter your email address and password on the login page. If you're having trouble logging in or need other help, contact our support team using the phone number or email address in the bottom left of the screen. The portal homepage divides your options into claims, forms and information, and help and support. The claims section lets you start a claim and view existing claims. In forms and information, you can explore frequently asked questions, download claim, authorization, and payment forms, and click to go directly to the Chubb Workplace Benefits website. And of course, there are a range of help and support options on the right. To start a claim, click Start a New Claim, then review the fraud warning that appears, and check the box to confirm that you understand it. Next, choose whether you're filing a disability, accident, or critical illness claim. Then fill in the details in the section that appears. You can add any additional notes at the bottom of the page. Then you simply click to create your claim. The confirmation page will immediately show that your claim is pending. Check the information here to be sure that everything is correct, then see if the system is requesting any documents. You can upload them now or log in later to add them. Any notes you added will also appear here, and you can add new ones or attach files to your claim at any time. When you're done, click Back to return to the main page. You can see the status of any existing claims and add notes or documents by clicking View Existing Claims on the left. The Chubb Workplace Benefits portal gives you easy access to new claims, existing claims, and important forms and documentation all in one place. Log in today, and please reach out to us if you have any questions.